Well, first of all, we are really happy that we reached this partnership with the organizers of ERF and EU Robotics, and it's actually our first time in the European Robotics Forum here in Rotterdam. And basically, we wanted to contribute to look into how autonomous robots can help to advance the Sustainable Development Goals, build the community around this purpose, and really engage all the Robotics for Good community that is here present in Rotterdam, so they are more aligned to develop solutions towards these Sustainable Development Goals that were agreed by the United Nations. We have at AI for Good, that is this global platform for inclusive artificial intelligence. We explore how intelligent robots can help to advance the Sustainable Development Goals. We have had already more than 15 sessions looking into different applications of robotics in different industries in which robotics can help for these purposes. And basically we could look, for example, at robots in education, for example. They could help, to reach better results in terms of education for students when there are not enough teachers in classes. For example, in terms of the wind industry, you see those offshore wind turbines in the middle of the ocean. It's really dangerous for people to go there, really expensive in terms of full consumption of using boats to go there. So really using robots really decreases dangers for people, decreases the levels of fossil fuels emission, for example. So other applications we are looking are, for example, robots in medicine, surgical robots, robots for rehabilitation as well, and many others. Like in the energy industry, we see many examples, but otherwise as well in education, collaborative robots, but as well we are looking to the technical aspects of which are the innovations that are driving these new advances in robotics for good as well, because what we really want to look into AI for good and robotics for good, especially at the ITU, is really looking into how we can inhibit the bad consequences of a wrong implementation of robotics in society. Because, of course, there will be an increasingly use of robotics in society, and what is really important is to inhibit the negative effects of a bad implementation. That's why we want to build this community for really to advance robotics for good.